There is another way. Now, there is another way, ladies and gentlemen, to put things in for your Google Classroom. If you would prefer, you can go to Google Drive. If you have an Android, this does not work on an iPhone, but it does work on an Android. So on an Android, you simply go to the Drive app and you go to Scan. And there you go. And it works just like the Adobe. You take the picture, you hit OK. The advantage of this is it goes right into your Google Drive. And so it's going to be ready to go. And you can set your sharing settings just like you set it with everything else. You can rename it just like everything else. And when it's done, just hit save it. And this is my Gdrive scan test. All right, Gdrive scan test. And hit save. And now it's right here in my Google Drive as soon as it gets uploaded. And then I can put it right into my Google Classroom or whatever else I need.